Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Trayoo 7-inch Kids tablet. This tablet is designed with kids in mind, offering a blend of entertainment and education in a durable package. First impressions are positive. The tablet comes in a bright, purple color, which is appealing to children. The included case is a great addition, providing protection against the inevitable bumps and drops that come with kids using technology. The case also has a built-in stand, which is handy for watching videos or playing games hands-free. The Trayoo tablet features a 7-inch screen with a 1024 by 600 resolution. The picture quality is decent for a kid's tablet, providing clear and vibrant visuals for games, videos, and educational apps. Under the hood, the tablet is powered by a quad-core processor, which ensures smooth performance for most kids' apps. It comes with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 64 GB via TF card. This is plenty of space for storing games, videos, and photos. One of the standout features of this tablet is the pre-installed YouBabe app. This app offers a wide range of free educational apps that work without Wi-Fi, which is a huge plus for parents who want to limit screen time or don't always have access to the internet. The apps cover various subjects, including Montessori, brain training, painting, gaming, and kids' TV. The parental control features are comprehensive and easy to use. Parents can create separate profiles for each child, add or block apps, filter content, and set screen time limits. This gives parents peace of mind knowing that their children are using the tablet safely and responsibly. The Trayoo tablet also has dual cameras, which are adequate for taking photos and videos. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 10 hours on a single charge. This makes it perfect for long car rides or flights. Overall, the Trayoo 7-inch Kids tablet is a great option for parents looking for a safe, educational, and entertaining tablet for their children. The durable design, pre-installed educational apps, and comprehensive parental controls make it a worthwhile investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.